All right, guys. So Bitcoin got absolutely creamed. I think it was down 10% after. It was down probably 7, 8% at one point when I went to bed. But it was down more, 10. It was down bloody 12% at one point after I went to bed, which is pretty insane. Anyway, I mean, it's a sign that the cycle top is in. Right, pattern now for me is the most important thing. Um, First off, where is this chart? Okay, so you can see here, that the target of this pattern is into this gap, right? But then again, pattern will be very important. If we get down there and act very bearish, maybe we're going to break through that and we're coming back down here to the $6,000 level to fill this gap down here. If I go to a weekly chart, you can see. Now, I'm not saying this is happening yet. You can see here on a 3-day chart, there is that gap, but actually, it's not. Um, well, you can see it better here. I mean, we closed here. I didn't draw it exactly perfectly, but anyway, whatever. It might be different on a 3-day chart. You can see that bit of a gap. Anyway, so the gap is there. It's not. I'm not making stuff up. I just woke up and I thought maybe I was seeing things, but the gap is there. Got a free flash crash down there. It would be amazing for buying opportunities. I mean, it would be another buying opportunity of your lifetime. Like really, if you had dry powder, if we dropped down there again, I mean, again, it could be bloody life changing if people didn't take advantage of that. Um, but this gap is first and foremost, and what I think, right, pattern is the most important thing here. Here's the worry now, right? The worry now is that we are putting in a bearish apex. So, if we consolidate like this, there's a chance that we can drop down to this level at $6,000. Now that sounds crazy, but a bearish apex would be very, very powerful. You can see here, it's identical to this. We put in a head and shoulders top, right? We drop down. This is where we dropped today. We dropped right down today. It's almost identical. And then if we get pattern like this in a bearish apex, bear flag, bearish apex manner, there may be another monumental dump. Now, we don't know that yet. We need to see pattern here. Pattern is extremely important. The Nasdaq was down 5%, also indicating a cycle top. This is a 2-week chart.